see the aftermath of the snowstorm. Look at it. Beautiful. Sun. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh. We're gonna be playing in the snow soon. Look how beautiful. And I hate snow too. So yeah, this is the aftermath. This is the set on part 2. It's gonna be insane. So it's gonna be really insane. So I'm gonna show you what I'm cooking. I'm doing some cooking. And you're gonna hear some crazy kids. Oh! I finished my paintings. Look at how pretty. Now it's a little richier, more richier things. So, if anybody has any ideas to make it a little richier, tell me. I'm making salmon. Then I'm gonna do like a sauce. So teriyaki sauce. And the nut cases are coming out. Okay, where's the stuffy stuff? Oh, I didn't open that one. So, garlic. I love this stuff. The garlic paste, awesome. You should like. You like garlic like I do. Ooh, we got salt. I could have this in my bathtub last night, so I put it in the bath. So soon, I'm like the next clip. Yep. I love I have the broomsticks. The one painting that has it has Merry Christmas. I'm not taking that down. But I'm like, the next step, I'm going to be taking all this crap off. And probably doing some witchy stuff. I love this. My Richie spoon. I have another Richie spoon too. Got snow on my pantsy pants. So yes. Then oh my goodness. Oh, did I show you this candle? My mother-in-law got me some candles because literally I did not have any candles. And second of all, I'm going to show you how to make a rich bag for your bathtub. The baggy bags, what I showed you yesterday. So I'm going to show you that one. Look at it. Look at all the snow. That's insane. I'll show you out here. Give me a minute. Okay. Look how crazy. Wow. I'm going to show you outside soon. After I do the things. That'll be later. So, I see you next clips. We are going to do you know what I'm going to say. Put on the salmon. So, olive oil. A little bit. Salt and pepper. Oh my gosh. I mean a lot. Okay. I should wash my hands. I have straight up oil on my hands. Okay. Then, garlic. And I forgot to take this thing off. Alright. There we go. And nope. There we go. And then squat. That's a lot. I don't care. I like garlic. And then this one. Sorry about the screaming. And then mix. Ooh, this is going to be good. And it looks like this. So. Ooh. Right. Looks like that. There we go. Looks chunky because of the stuff in it. Oh my gosh. Much better. Get the oil off of your hands. All right. It is almost unfrozen. So I'm going to be back. Okay, let me get a big baggie. I love these. Look at them. It's Christmas and I don't care. It's a donut. Okay. So it's unfrozen. Took 20 minutes after I did that video. No, it took like 10 minutes. It didn't take that much longer. Okay. 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 Oh, it's two. Oh, that's okay. Two. I thought it was one big one and one small. I like one big one. Okay. Let me do this. Okay. Let me do this. Ow! I don't know what that was about. Soak those suckers in. Okay. And then okay, all of it. I'll do this. Ooh, and then do this. It's gonna be lovely. It's gonna be. I don't know if people do this, but I want to see if it tastes good. If it tastes good, I say I'll do it. If it doesn't. If it doesn't taste good, I won't tell you make it. Man. Uh-oh. Nope, the cap's right here. I thought I lost the cap for the oil. Because I have a little bit left because I put them in here. Put more oil in here. So, we got the cap. Got the cap. Let's wash the... Okay, there you go. And now it won't smell fishy in here. So yes. I have the next clip and I'll show you how to cook it. Show the size dishes, what I'm gonna be doing. And that's it. And yes, I know I said I was gonna go ghost hunting. I'm going to do it tonight. Last night, I was so tired. I was outside shoveling 7 times. So, literally, I was tired, so I didn't do it. So, tonight's going to be ghost hunting. Look at all the snow. Jason. It's so nice outside. Oh, my gosh. This is how much is it? Like see? Oh, it's a lot. And look at the sun. So beautiful. So I already preheat it to 400 and something. I put the vegetables in it, and now let's get this puppy going. Okay, let me fish it. Still. Okay, this is gonna be a good one. Yep, that's a good one. Any thoughts? Over here, we got one. Okay. We need a butter knife. That one. Fish is gonna look like this. Bam! I don't think the lemon's gonna taste good on the fish. So I see you a little later. So this is done cooking. Let's get the salmon out. Oh, how beautiful. Okay. Seriously. Woo! It's beautiful. So, yep, that's messy. I know. Oh. Okay. This is my dinner. Healthy. So, yes, I'm going to do some ghost hunting after this. A little later, outside. But I'm not going in the woods because it's still windy. And it's a little dangerous. We don't want that. So, that's the next clip.